Are you in desperate need of money in Blox Fruits? I got you. Here are 4 ways to get more money on Blox Fruits. First way is the swan part. It's one of the simplest and most easy ways to get some money. They're very easy to kill when you're a local user, or a very high level player. 1000 to max level, something like that. And okay, just watch how much money I'll get after this. It's like the amount when you get from a boss. You get 2,100, you get 21,500 money guaranteed with 2 times money. The second one is the chest hunt. Chest hunting is one of the best since you can get a Fist of Darkness, which is good for cyber grace, spawning Darkbeard, or getting Darkblade V2. There are 3 types of chests, which are the silver chest, the ones that give the least amount of money, the golden chests that give the second best amount of money, and the diamond chests who give the most amount of money. You can also find a God's Chalice that is useful for Rip Indra, Do King, and other stuff. The second method is boss hunting. Boss hunting is easy. Just go kill bosses in which they give a lot of money, even more with 2 times money. This is one of the best ways for me because it's one of the most easiest ways to get money. Unfortunately, there are no bosses right now, so I cannot show you. But yeah. The fourth way is by sea beast hunting. Sea beast hunting is one of the hardest ways, but the best ways to earn money. You're gonna get a total of 50,000 belly by sea beast hunting. The easiest way is just to get a boat. Just get a boat, any boat, and roam around the map until you get a sea beast spawn. Just roam around the whole map. First sea and second sea is pretty good. Second sea is the hardest, but third sea is the best place to find a sea beast. You can also find a terror shark in the third sea and subsea events. That is it for this video. Hope you like it. Those are the methods on how to get a lot of belly or money in Blox Fruits. Let me guys know what you think. Like or subscribe, whatever.